In this video, we will show you how to clear your history on Google Maps. To clear or delete your history on Google Maps, first you can do that from the desktop or from the mobile smartphone. We will show you how to do that from the desktop and also from the smartphone. First, to clear your history from the desktop, you need to open myaccount.google.com. As you can see here, we have some history after searching some place or location. And to clear your history from desktop, just open myaccount.google.com and select data and privacy. In here, you will have your activity. Just click your activity. And in your activity, just delete all your history in here. Okay? Delete all the time. You can click next. In here, if you don't want to delete your activity from Google search, YouTube or console, just untick this. But because we just only the Google Maps, and click next until done. And from the smartphone, almost the same. In here, for example, if we click in the search field, we have history or recent activity in here. To delete from smartphone, just click the icon in here. Okay, this is your Google account, and select settings in here. Then you can see there is maps history. Click this, and in here you have the activity also. Okay, you can see or delete your activity by clicking this button and delete all the time. And then also in here you need to select controls, and if you don't want the Google Maps save your history, just turn off the web and app activity in here. Okay, you can manage all web activity in here. Then select delete all. Okay, select all times. Same with before on the desktop. Okay, I will click next, and we can click delete in here. Click got it. And that's all tutorial how to clear or delete your maps history from desktop or from smartphone. Hope this video helpful for you.